application will ask you to set alarm. You can go ahead and pretty much set your alarm as it relates to checking your, let's say, your health as it relates to this application, your heart health. Will ask you to add the application as a home launcher, which I don't recommend you doing. So I'm gonna just skip this process here. So we'll just tap on the back option on your device, then tap on ignore here, and you're pretty much good to go. But once you have done that, it will pretty much be redirected to here. So that's really pretty much it, and you can tap on the option at the top. So in this application here, you'll be able to check your heart rate, your blood pressure, I presume, and as well, you just analyze your information. So let's press on the option here. It does check your heart rate. As you can see, tap on the allow option. It will pretty much allow the issue access. You can see here, tap on measure, and it will tap on ask you to tap on start. Let's tap on the start option, and you may see a flashlight over here. You can just pretty much cover your flashlight, and yes, once you have covered your flashlight, you can press on start again. Cover your flashlight with the lights that's covered. As you can see here, so I'm going to cover the full flashlight and press on start here again. And this should work. Once you've covered the flashlight completely, you will start check your heart rate, as you can see here. So as you can see here, this is my heart rate as it relates to this. And they presume currently saying that I'm resting, but anyways. So this is pretty much my heart rate. I can go ahead and see these results. I'm not sure how accurate this is, but as you can see here, my heart rate is pretty much normal for today. And you can always keep a check of your heart rate by using this application here as well. Just go in the measure section, will ask you to allow access to your camera and so forth, and it will turn on your flashlight. Once it turns on your flashlight, pretty much use one of your fingers and cover the flashlight completely, and you should be good to go from there. But I'm not sure about the pressure option here, but you have to use a different device that you use to check your pressure. Then you add the pressure, and that's really pretty much it. But once you're pretty much had your heart rate here, you can go ahead and pretty much analyze it and so forth. So here it pretty much will tell you to check your heart rate again. So nothing much for that. But all in all, a very decent application. I'm not sure how accurate this is, but I mean, if you want to know how to use the application, there it is. But anyways, let me know if you have any thoughts on this application. If it's accurate, just let me know in the comment section so other people can know that this is accurate as well. So that's really pretty much it. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and see if I can help you out.